Good morning, all of you. So, today we are going to discuss our bridge chapter, which is your bridge second chapter, bridge site investigation, hydrology, and planning. Okay, come to the next slide. So, this chapter contains your outlines that are introduction, selection of bridge site alignment, determination of flood discharge, waterway and economic span, afflux clearance and freeboard. So we discuss one by one in throughout our chapter. So first one, what are the aim to investigate your bridge site? Okay. So the basic or the main important thing is here that to select the most suitable location, type of structure satisfy that are optimum cost of the bridge, road alignment, demands of traffic, the stream, safety and your aesthetics. Okay, come to the next slide. So, what is the investigation for the bridge? What are the criteria? So, the selection, the following parameters that should be carried out under bridge investigation, that are basically service life, location of the bridge, deck level, bridge type, span, abutment, and basically the most important thing is here that bad decision regarding location and the structure can lead to several problems because a high investment is needed to construction a bridge. Okay, so it's important to make to a right decision fast. It is the main thing for a engineer. Okay, so next come to here we discuss about the selection of bridge site, that what are the criteria. We discuss it briefly. First one is the choice of the right site is a crucial decision in the planning and designing of a bridge. We know that, and it may not be possible always to have a wide choice of the site for a bridge. Okay, and this is particularly so in case of a bridges in urban areas. Usually a wider choice may be available. For river bridges in rural areas, usually a wider choice may be available in that cases. Next, we discuss about the characteristics of an ideal site for a bridge across a river. What are they? Are the straight reach of the river, steady river flow without cross current, a narrow channel with firm banks, suitable high bank above high flood level on each side, rock or other hard inerodible strata close to the riverbed level, avoidance of excessive underwater construction. Okay. Next one is your selection criteria for bridge site, or others are that for selecting a suitable site for a major bridge, the investigating engineer should make a recognition survey to get immersion of the landscape and to decide on a type of the structure to the site, and he should care that taken that to investigate a number of probable alternative sites and then decide on the site which is likely to serve the need of the bridge at the least cost. Next point is a brief description of the reason for the selection of a particular site should be furnished in the investigation report along with a silent detail of alternative site investigated and rejected. Okay. So next part is your selection criteria for a bridge site preliminary study. Okay. So there are different study performance during the preliminary study, like your topography, catchment area, hydrology, geotechnical data, seismology, navigation, construction resources, nearby bridges and traffic data. And for the deck study, first of all we collect topographic map, that is your contour survey available from the survey department, remote sensing image if available, and aerial photographs, that is stability of the stream by viewing photographs of multiple years. Okay. So this is the brief description. What are the data to be collected in primary survey, that is name of the river or road, probable bridge location, and any close by bridge on the same river available if available, and location of the nearest available benchmark, present and anticipated future volume and nature of traffic, hydrology data pertaining to river, soil profiles, navigational requirement of the stream, material availability to locations, utility and service supplied during the construction. These are the data to be collected in primarily study. Okay. Next one is a design service life. For a permanent structure of the bridge, the service life is greater than 40 years to carry the specified load, and for a temporary structure, when an anticipated future development after some time, it will be increase the desired capacity, that is low cost temporary bridges until the development occur, and a permanent abutment and a light deck may be a wise alternative, we prefer that one. Okay. So next come to here, we discuss location of the bridge. How we recognize that one. So first upper straight reach of the river, this is the image. This is the mean time live, and this is the image here. Whenever we locate a river, that the river should be steady stream flow, no serious swells and cross current, narrow channel with farm bank, which already we discussed, suitable high bank above high flood level, then a rock bed or any other hard innervable strata which is close to the river bed level, and that also may be economical approaches, appropriate vertical alignment should be available there, absence of expensive river training work, and traditional crossing point also. Okay, if there are available this criteria, then that will be selected for a ideal bridge site. And what are the location of the bridge? We should care that investigate a number of probable alternative site and then decide on the site which is likely be to serve for the need of the bridge at the least cost, because that is suitable for us, and at a, the economical point of view, that is suitable. And however, it is not always possible to have a wide choice of the site for a bridge in everywhere, so we should take a crucial decision that we select a bridge site. Okay. Before that bridge type, we discuss about what is your topography. Okay. So in topography we see that the detail can be obtained from the survey in Indian map, and in addition each cross section of the river across the river at the select site should be taken, and in catchment area we see that this will also get from the same map, from the topographical map, and it is used mainly for the flood analysis. Okay. Next one is your hydrology particulars. In hydrology particulars, we study about the low water level, highest flood level, slope of the surface of water, flood velocity, and discharge of the river. And we collect the data from local inquiries or from the data available from the nearest gauging site. Next one is your geotechnical and seismic data. So in geotechnical and seismic data, we study performance to get the stability of the river, location of faults, their activities, and we study the performance also to get soil classification, grain size, and depth at which hard strata is likely to be met with, and mainly agar boring test is used to collect the soil sample, and future to study its engineering property. Okay. And navigation requirement. In navigation requirement, we see some kind of navigation will exist on almost all a major river, and we study the investigate about the size, density, and volume of the traffic of vessels of boats, so that it can be safely cross the river without any nuisance to both the vessels and bridge. And next one is your construction resources. In construction resources, we investigate include availability of quarry, skilled labor, and need for the special equipment such as your crusher, handling equipment. And next one is your details of other bridge across the river, that is it conducting mainly to collect general criteria used for the selection of site and design of that bridge. Also it helps to get the knowledge and idea about the nearby bridges. Okay, and next one is the bridge alignment. The alignment of a project is defined as the baseline for construction of bridge and its approach roadway, and it describes horizontally by a series of a tangent and circular arches, and the alignment is also known as the center line of the construction. Okay, so next part we discuss in our next slide. Thank you.